I love this kind of food.
We're back in America. Good morning, everyone. So, this is so sad. It's our last day of our vacation in general. So, our flight is actually tonight at 1 a.m. So, this is so sad, but yeah, so we have like a full day today. I don't think we really have anything planned. It's the first day we actually slept in and we didn't do anything, which was nice. It's like 10 right now. We're gonna go get some breakfast or find some place to get breakfast. We might get our nails done. I don't know. And we brought our bathing suits and our towels because we're gonna go to the beach because it's like really nice out today, which I wasn't expecting because it said it was gonna rain. So yeah, so we're just kind of relaxing before we leave and go back home. We're back at the same place we ate yesterday. Yeah, it's really cute. We're just starving. Oh, I noticed there's a tree behind me. Yeah, so we kind of want to surf today. We'll see how that goes. We're done. Hey guys, so we're at the beach right now. I don't know if we're gonna surf or not, but because we met some friends last night at the hostel and they said they surfed, and we don't know if we want to learn or not because they actually know how to surf, so I don't know. But yeah, it's really nice out today. I just went into the bar and had a mango juice. I've literally had a mango juice every single day that I've been on vacation, so yeah. Alright. Hey guys, we just got done at the beach. I fell asleep. I didn't even know I slept. But my tan, I don't know. But yeah, so now we're gonna look for some ice cream because we want some ice cream. And then we have about 12 hours till our flight, so we have some time to kill, so we don't really know what we're gonna do, but
We get our nails done.
yeah, look at these. Oh no. So we just went to this like Kmart store. She got ice cream. We got a lot of snacks for our plane ride. I got my chocolate milk, which is so good. Yeah. We should get a massage or our nails done. Yeah, we got probably like 1, 2, 3, 4, like 7 bags of chips and like chocolate and everything. I guess because we're kind of hungry now, but I mean, it's a long plane ride, so I also need to download the Netflix shows. But yeah, we'll see what else we do today. We're just kind of relaxing. It's like the first day. We literally don't have anything planned, so we don't know what to do. Hey guys, so we're back at our hotel. As you can see, we got tan. We're gonna have our last dinner. But yeah, we're gonna have dinner and then just hang out for a little bit until we leave for our actual flight. So we just got everything packed. We're all ready to go. Yeah, look at my poofy pants. I bought them and they're handmade in Vietnam. I don't know why, but when I put them on, they looked so much bigger on me and like Sophia's tinier than me. So not the same. But yeah. I can't believe you didn't get them. Yeah, they're so cute. Yeah, but obviously these are more these were a little more expensive because they're like actually handmade, but I wanted like, look at them. Hey guys, so we're at this Indian restaurant right now, which is like right on the street. We're trying this appetizer. What is it?
I don't know the proper name, but it's basically like
Cauliflower.
fried cauliflower.
Let's try it. Yet another mango juice. Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hey.
I love this kind of food.
Hey guys. So we've just been laying here for, I don't even know how long, 30 minutes, and now we're about to leave to go to the airport. It's gonna be the longest flight and night ever. So our flights are about almost 20 hours. So that's
Maybe you did already.
But it's just gonna be a long travel day. We're at the airport. Currently downloading the new show called You on Netflix so I can watch it on the plane ride. Charging up so I can edit my videos too. That was over there. Hey guys, so we just got done our first flight, which was like 8 hours, and now we're waiting to go on our second flight, which I think is like 12 hours maybe. Yeah, I had like the biggest headache. I don't even know what happened. It still kind of hurts. It hurts so bad. But yeah, we're just waiting. Security is tough going to JFK. But yeah, I'm tired. I just want to go home. This is it, guys. Our last flight. Then we'll be in New York. We're back in America.
It's so cold.
I'm in my flip-flops. Oh no. Hi guys. So it is currently February 1st. I just finished the whole travel series that I've been making videos for the past like 2 weeks now. Maybe a little longer than that. But yeah, so I just wanted to come here and just talk about the whole series and like my whole travel thing, whatever. So it's been about 2 weeks since I got back from our vacation. And as you guys know, I've just been posting vlogs and stuff and like editing. So now after this, we're just gonna get back into like my normal vlogs and like all that stuff. So I would appreciate it if you guys would leave me any suggestions on what kind of videos you guys want to see now, since this whole travel vacation series that I had
is done, as you can tell, and I'm in school now, and I've just been in bed all day editing. So yeah, excuse this look. I don't have any makeup on. I've literally just been editing, trying to get everything done. So yeah, so now I'm just gonna get back to like filming my school videos, and like I have some ideas on what kind of videos I want to do, but I'd also appreciate it if you guys left some comments down below. And also, if you guys loved this whole travel series, I literally had so much fun editing it, and just like being able to like relive these memories like through video. Like it's just like I just love it so much, and it just makes me, honestly makes me kind of sad because I just see everything, and just, I don't know, it's like snowing and cold now, so yeah. But I hope you guys enjoyed this whole series. Thank you guys so much for following me along in this whole journey. Don't worry, we're going to be traveling a lot this year, so this won't be the last of the travel videos, but we're probably, what I'm thinking of doing is probably doing like a spring semester like weekly vlog or something, because obviously it's a new semester, new classes, new routine, so I figured maybe I'd do that. But leave any suggestions on what you guys want me to do. I'm going to try to upload as much as possible, but we'll see. But yeah, I just wanted to come here and just end this whole travel series that I had. And I hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as I enjoyed editing it, living it, and just posting it up for you guys. So make sure to also follow me on my Instagram, because that's where I literally post everything, and you get up to date with all my new videos and posts and stuff. So that will be linked down below. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.